So Orlando Pirates is currently number one with 26 games in 58 points. Mamelodi Sundowns in 56 points, but they have 2 games in hand. Do you think the league is gone?
Gone to who?
Okay. Sanibona bafethu and welcome back to Starting 11 bafethu. Njengenjwayelo niyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba noSibude Lebude. Sibude hamba kanjani?
Shapho kunjani?
Hi, this is the second video bafethu namhlanje siqale sanithulela iMamelodi Sundowns versus Sooners. Namhlanje sesinithulela iKaizer Chiefs. Sesinithulela iPolokwane City versus iKaizer Chiefs bebedlala le away. iKaizer Chiefs bivakashile ivakashele iPolokwane City. But before we get into the game bafethu, please make sure you follow us on YouTube at Starting 11XI. 11 a number then kuba XI. So umdlalo uphele ngo-0-0. So it's a point to Kaizer Chiefs and a point to Polokwane City. Sibude kubuye kanjani igame?
Siphinde sinibingelele futhi babukeli ba-subscribers nama-followers ethu. Yeah, second game of the third game yethi ama-team lawa i-big 3 number 2 no number 3.
Yes.
Unfortunately la amanye aqondene la semini.
Yes.
Into angishilo ukuthi kudepend i-Champions League ukuthi yiphi encane kube kumele ihlehle past 7.
Yeah.
Enkulu ihlale ngo3. Asikho ke lapho.
Showcase.
Yeah, uma ngibuka iKaizer Chiefs. Kona le Kaizer Chiefs.
Futhi bese ngeke sibafethu sibuke igame engekho sold out, sisiyeke igame sold out.
Yabona ke futhi bekungeke kwi-cup enkulu buka i-cup encane.
Hayi kona bese ngeke sikwazi ukwenza njalo.
Yeah, isikhathi.
Ngoba nama-fans lawa nabeyobuka iCAF Champions League kodwa ke siqhubeke.
Yeah, kona iKaizer Chiefs le eyashawa iStellenbosch. Ukube kuseseyiyo bizoshawa ngo5-0 namhlanje.
Kanti ihluke ngani le Stellenbosch nale bidla nePolokwane City?
Le Stellenbosch ibeyinkinga ingenayo iperformance, ingenayo nje iclinicality yokudlala ibhola. Beyidembesela kakhulu. Ingekho inhloso yokuthi khonto abayifunayo. Le ebeyidlala namhlanje iKaizer Chiefs iyona le eyasuka ku-position ba 8-9.
Yeah, 9 last season.
Yeah, isi number 3.
Yeah, and congratulations.
Yeah.
Izo maintain top 8.
Yeah, le khujana kusho ukuthi sina 6 games without ama loss.
Yeah.
Okunye engingabusho futhi uma ngibheka last game iChiefs iwinile last game. And
4 goals.
Yeah.
4-1.
Uba ubheka lapha ya amagoli awu2 iassist yakhona kwaba uFrozler from ebenchini. So uma ucoach fanele ubheka ukuthi ku first half labadlali abanginiki lento engiyifunayo. Yabo, once uNdlovu engekho you mean less creativity eswini. Lapha kweChiefs uMabuwe uyi-best midfielder cause ube yi-man of the match, but masufaka uNdlovu usufaka i-creativity ukuthi labantu uyabashaya baphaphame abantu abangama-wing. Le performance kaLilepo namhlanje if bekhona uNdlovu mhlambe beyingabe ushayile u2 goals iChiefs.
Okay, khona ilokho nje agenda ekhishwayo la yabo. Khona omunye umdlali wenye team ngeke ngisho ukuthi yakiphi iprovince. Ake ngithi nje umdlalo team yase KZN. Uhlezi niyama man of the match yabo.
Yeah.
Lo mdlali loyo. Ngenxa ukuthi bafuna ukuthi bemenze i-player of the season.
Yeah.
So manje ngoba uMabu unama man of the match amaningi ngeke naye efakwe kwi-conversation ye-player of the season. Noma siyeka siqhubeka.
Yeah, washayile la landelana.
Yeah,
the last time ubeyishayile, the next time of which mhlambe the next time angayishaya. But
consecutive.
Yeah. Lento ibisifuna ukuthi and akanayo depending player. ukuthi uNdlovu khona noma akekho Mabu is going to be a man of the match.
Mhm.
Yeah, omunye makungekho omunye akabi man of the match.
Sikhuluma ngabadlali base KZN.
Yeah, okay, isingene kweChiefs.
Yeah.
If ingekho le creativity le ebeyidingakalayo ibingeke iwine vele lo mdlalo lo. Two, umdlalo second half udominateile iPolokwane City. Beku 50-50 first half. Into ebuhlukile ukuba kangenanga uMiguel bingalishaya iLokhujana igoli eliyi-1.
Nayo iPolokwane City wayekile ama chances man. Hayi. Abadlali abangekho clinical kanje in front of the goal.
Yeah, uJagoy defender laze la intercept iball uMiguel wal interceptor le ball. Nakufaka uSiri. Yabona ama substitute kwiChiefs kahle yiyo afika perform. Yindaba abangawabona ukeeper. Uma ke njenge defender uSirino as a substitute. Wamaka uMiguel as a substitute. Yabo of which kube bengekho bekuzokwenzekana ibizokhatha in le umdlalo wePolokwane City. It's either upass epaleni noma upass elinet ibingashaya igoli eliyi-1 iwin. Yabo angazi bayibuka kanjani i-team yona ubuild up i-team ofuna ukuthi i-draw noma iwine against iOrlando Pirates. Yabo faka abadlali abangenza leyo nto leyo ukuthi okay njengoba kusekuyi second half manje angimfake uNdlovu ngifake uVelebhaya ngimfake uVilakazi angikhandi creativity so that ne striker ngoba incindezi uyitholile uSilva waphaphama ipace baphaphama bonke abadlali net that creativity ebeyi enough ukuthi ingabhithi iPolokwane City beyingekho. Polokwane City angazi noma ngizothi ize ngokuthi iChiefs vele siyayazi ukuthi iyadembesela. Angazi noma ize ngalo wena kanti isishintshe ayiseyiyo lento beyiwu
iChiefs eyazi
udukhuzwayo idukhuzwe kalula sekunoshintsho olukhona manje kufanele iyibambe iqembu ukuze izowina. Yabo well done ukuthi ke ina 6 game without loss iKaizer Chiefs and isayibambile kupho enye into khona abantu abafuna ukuthatha ileague but abathandi makukhulunywa ngo-number 2 position number 2 kodwa bona bafuna ukuze phela uba number 1 ukuze uthathe ileague
bafuna uthathe ileague abafuna futhi number 2
position number 2 ukhuluma amagama okucwasa aziswana why uzophatheka kabi makukhona umuntu ofuna number ngoba wena ufuna ileague and ukuze uthole ileague kufanele ube concerned ngoposition number 1
bafuna number 2 bafuna number 1
yebo.
So do you think isiphi scheme esingadlalwa iChiefs ukuze bedlale kahle because the next game badlala neOrlando Pirates?
Okay, into engingayisho akaqalise umthetho angazi noma bekhona yini even
bekhona la last game.
Yabo aqalise umthethwa iswing afake uMiguel usengabafaka laba abathandayo amfake uDuba amfake uSilva. Yeah, uSilva. Second half ilazo introduce khona uVilakazi, Velebhaya noNdlovu. Leyo 3 leyo.
But uNdlovu mina ngibona ngathi ngayiqala igame.
Noma ngayiqala indlovu.
Yeah.
Ukuthi manje yazi ngifuna
because iPirates izobe siqedile phela lapha second half.
Ukuthi yazi ngibokani. Umthetho noMabuwe. Ukuzenzela lapha esiswini kwePirate kungastabilize ngokomthetho kufuneka indluzula ebakhona ukuze le pace yabo ingezi ukuthi izenzele ibuild up lapha esiswini then masufaka icreativity usuyabakhathaza usufaka uNdlovu usufaka abantu abazogijima sebezoba neconsent ukuthi nathi yabona iPirate njengoba ikorile first half namhlanje uyashayila amagoli ukuthi ileyo nto eyifunayo ukuthi the next time idlala in game yayo ukuthi indominate ishaya amagoli second half isiyalimaka isiyazenzela but ayisekho ukujaha ukuthi siyokora so ngesikhathi ufaka abantu abadefensive abakwazi ukuzenzela then masumkhipha umuntu more defensive lapho usufaka ezobajaha abantu abazokwenza creativity yokuthi bashaya amagoli uyakwazi ukuthi uyistabilize iPirates ukora. Remember ayikho that clinical converter amagoli iPirates but uma ke wakhombisa sign yokugula izokupenalize wangayikhombisa sign jikjela uMiguel jikjela uMabuwo jikjele uLokhujana umthetho hayi lapho ngizokutshela ukuthi ayike uLokhujana uMako ngisho mina ukuthi ukhona ekumakeni ukhona nakwi-attacking uyabahlula o-Cross nobani akumnika ithuba noma ngingamnika ithuba 30 minutes angene laphayana uyayazi iPirates usuka kuyona yabo umuntu ozoba ne-overlap ngale ehlangothini because i-left winger ne-right abakwazi uku-overlapha njengabomdabu kwi-Chiefs so uma kuyakwazi uku-overlapha ukushaya lokhujana deliver ama-cross ukuze i-striker nobani bathole amagoli yabona uLilepo noma ngayiqala igame second half uzobe sekhona uNdlovu badlalisana uma ngabe ifuna ukuyibamba i-Pirates nanso into engiyicabangayo nesim angazi kokwenzakalana.
So Orlando Pirates is currently number 1 with 26 games in 58 points. Mamelodi Sundowns in 56 points, but they have 2 games in hand. Do you think the league is gone?
Gone to who?
Okay. Bafethu danke siyabonga until the next game. Danke.